your first video on YouTube, at least the one that's visible, is from about 3.5 years ago, and it's called "How to Make a Professional Marinade." Quotes, scare quotes. So, what's the difference between a
God,
professional?
you really did some digging.
Yeah, some shallow grave. Dug you a shallow grave. Uh, what's the difference between a professional marinade and an amateur marinade?
So that's a really good question. I can't really answer it, but I'll tell you why I titled it that. I literally typed in like how professionals make marinades. And I remember reading the article and it was like, you need these three base ingredients. You need an acid, you need an oil, and you obviously need a seasoning. And I was like, oh, it's professional versus like just throwing a bunch of shit in a bag and hoping that it kind of tastes good.
That's
So,
still what I do.
and part of it was like, yeah. And then part of it was just like the marketing of headlines, right? You're just trying to get people's attention with the word professional. Because like you put like
What was that you said before? You said an acid. What else? What are the three things? I got to make notes.
an acid and oil. So an oil, an acid, and some, seasoning, whatever seasoning you want.
Perfect. So you
It's
got
a
to
super
make
long laundry list.
What season are you supposed to make it in? Winter.
Whichever one you like.
Winter. Okay. Well, you said something about seasons. Okay. Go ahead. Sorry, I'm white. We don't do seasoning.
we just eat it bland. No wonder so many white people are like, well, I have to eat like bland chicken breast to be healthy. Nah,
It's like,
nah,
what
you're good.
is
You can,
my,
you can add seasonings.
My mom thinks, what was it? Who she's like, oh my god, that has some kick in it. I think it was like mayonnaise or something, or like mustard. It was something like so like not even close to like hot, and she's like, that's got some kick in it.
That's too funny.
So that's what a professional marinade is. It's those three things, which
I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, I know so little about professional marinades, and that's my only way to contribute to the world is in that.
Well, I mean, it's fitness related because people make a lot of bland ass food and think that that's what represents eating healthy, and I don't think that's true.
Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Probably just the fact that like bodybuilders would not put any extra stuff on their food to reduce calories. That's my guess.
Right.